what he said a moment ago.
Help individuals.
We had another jobs report yesterday, another frankly disappointing jobs report. This economy is not creating the jobs that the American people are looking for. Their wages are stagnant. And part of the problem is that we've got the whole threat of Obamacare continuing to hang over our economy like a wet blanket. Employers scared to death in terms of what they have to do and what they don't have to do, afraid to add new employees. And, you know, when you look at the problems with Obamacare, all the focus here lately has been on the website. Clearly, there's problems with the website. But I would argue that the problems go much further than that. How about the report over the last couple of days of the hundreds of thousands of Americans who are finding out that they're going to lose their coverage because the plans they have today don't qualify under Obamacare. And when you begin to look at these hundreds of thousands of people, I think what you're going to see at the end of October are more Americans are going to lose their health insurance than are going to sign up at these exchanges. This is a very serious problem. It's affecting our economy, and it's affecting the ability of the American people to find the job that will help them take care of themselves and their families.
There you go, Speaker.